Good morning. My name is Che, and I'm the founder of Sierra Blue. We're based here. I'm based here. There's no man in my pocket. It's not me. It's me. Army of One, full-service digital media agency based in Sacramento, serving clients from Lake Tahoe to the Bay Area, specializing in working with nonprofits and small businesses. Okay, today's topic. I'm going to try to keep it short and brief again. Time is all we have, so I don't want to waste yours or mine. Got a really fun job this week from a nonprofit based in Reno, and it's a kids rodeo nonprofit, and they needed a logo. So this is what they gave me. Okay, so I blew up their original logo, and I thought, well, maybe they're open, and they indicated they were open to like changing it all up. So I did that, and then they said no, they wanted to embrace the original look and feel of the logo. So then I basically drew this, right? So I took this, blew it up, drew this by hand, scanned it in my computer, and then we threw stuff back and forth until they finally told me that they really liked this one. And let's see if we can blow it up for you a little bit. So this is essentially what they're going after. They wanted some color, obviously wanted to clean up some of the lines. And then, it's a good thing I save all my work, because what they ended up asking me was if I can go back to the drawing board and work with this one, which was my favorite. So basically this is a mutton buster. They're kids, children, riding goats. Anyway, so why am I talking about this? I wanted to show you, this is one of my first pieces I've done with a pen. And by pen I mean a Waco pen, a tablet. So this is a digital drawing pad, and it configures to my Photoshop system, and I basically have 2,000 through this one pen. I have like 2,000 brushes, crayons, charcoal pieces, paint. I mean, just whatever. It's amazing. I love it. You have to take some time to learn how to use it, but it's quickly becoming my go-to to at least mock up a first or second draft for the client. And then, honestly, I would blow this up, and then I can edit with my pen in Photoshop. Whether I need a 1 pixel pen or a 20 pixel pen or a 100 pixel width pen or brush or charcoal. I love it. So it's my go-to thing. I am just letting you guys know that graphics is one of my passions. I began hand drawing as a young child profusely. Like, I would draw every day for years. And now with the advent of Photoshop, I've become more of a digital guy. And then recently, I'm starting to marry the two, using hand-drawn pieces as well as the digital hand drawing on a tablet, and then as well as Photoshop. So bringing all kinds of elements together to create professional looking logos. What else do I have here? I think really, so the progression goes, we go from something like this. I don't even know if you can see that. That's the original. To something like this. To ultimately, that goat was to mean something like this. But basically, you start with a hand drawing, client likes the basics, and then you show them what you got. If you need a logo for nonprofits, they start at $300. And then, of course, if you want color, keep in mind, that's going to add significant cost to printing on apparel, not so much on paper or business cards. But it might be best to have a black and white version and a color version. But you're also going to want to key into the colors that you use and make sure that you get your key codes, your color codes, so that when you do print, you can give the values in CMYK to the print shop so that you always have the exact colors in print. All right. Have a great day. I hope this was short and powerful to let you at least know that graphics are something I'm really good at. At least I think I am. Motion graphics too, which are hot now. All right, more on that later maybe. Take care. Bye-bye.